Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, My Crypto Teacher. My name is Ida and I am your crypto teacher. I bring you new videos every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. If you haven't already, please be sure to download the YouTube app so that you can turn on and receive notifications when I put out new videos. Also, please remember to like and subscribe anything that you see that you might like on this video. Today, I am going to be giving you step-by-step instructions on how to sell your crypto for cash on crypto.com. A lot of people are increasing their wealth. They've made money with their crypto, or for whatever reason, they just want to know, how do you actually convert your crypto back to cash so you can do whatever with it. Let's get started. For number one, you've got to have the crypto.com app downloaded to your device. Remember, you can only use crypto.com on a device using the app. I have a video out that shows you how to register and sign up for your account on crypto.com. And it's also, you can click in the link below if you haven't, so please do that first. Once you log into crypto.com, the first thing you're going to do is make sure you're on the accounts tab. And then the second thing you're going to do is open up your crypto wallet. So click on crypto wallet. Next, you're going to click sell. Next, you're going to see a screen that has several different cryptos listed. Normally, the cryptos that you own will appear first. So you can see I own all of these particular cryptos, and I'm going to be selling Solana for cash. And the ticker symbol for Solana is SOL. If you don't see the crypto that you want to sell listed in your main screen, use that magnifying glass, type in the name of the crypto, and that crypto will appear, and then you just go ahead and click on the crypto. After that, you're going to click fiat, because we are converting the crypto to fiat. And fiat is just a legal tender for your particular country. So fiat in the United States of America is the US dollar. You're going to see a number appear in the middle of the screen. That's just a default. Don't worry about that. Next, you're going to enter the amount of your crypto that you want to sell. I am going to be selling 3.6 Solana. So in the next screen, I'll enter that information. And you can see the money is going to go inside of my USD wallet. So here, when I enter in 3.6 souls, above there, you see that that is the equivalent of $598. So I'm going to sell 3.6 Solanas, and it'll give me about $598. If everything looks okay to me, I just go ahead and click sell. If not, I can always click the back key and make any kind of change that you want. Next, I can see the total amount of my sale, $598. I can see that one Solana is equal to about $166. Once I review everything, I can confirm. If I do want to go back at this point, just click the back key. If I'm okay with it, I just click confirm. Congratulations, that's it. You have sold, I have sold Solana for US dollars. And now the money is in my USD wallet. Also, crypto.com will send you an email confirmation, and remember, it'll have your anti-phishing code on there so that you can confirm that it is a legitimate email from crypto.com. So there you go. Please make sure to click on like and subscribe, and I wish you lots of luck in selling your crypto for lots of money. Please remember, I put out videos every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Good luck with all your crypto purchases and sales.